Welcome to our OFAJ URC Canteen website. Let's see how to use the website. For that, firstly open the Chrome and type ofajurc.in in search box, which is shown in the picture below. Register yourself by clicking on register button as shown in given picture. After that, registration page will open. Fill all the details correctly. Then click on sign up button. Check your email and activate your account. After activating your account, go to our website and log in to your account. Write username or email ID and password which you have created and click on login button. Click on product categories to see the products. You can also search the product with the help of search box. By clicking on search tab, search and choose the product you want. Click add to cart option to save your product for later. By clicking on plus minus icons, you can increase or decrease the count of products.